we are here on isometric shape number 7, mild steel, still 0.25 for my grid spacing. Let's count these guys off. All right, we've got across the bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 8 plus 2, 2 on the side, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 vertically. All right, I've got some kind of crazy stuff going on here. I'm going to look ahead a little bit and see that if I were to draw a line like this, like that, right there is the center of my circle, looks like a radius of 2. 1, 2. That's good to know for there. Also, looks like 4 from the edge, and 1, 2, 3, 4 from the bottom. Let's remember that for later. All right, I'm going to do the same thing. I think I'm going to do subtractive modeling on this one. I'm going to do a full 10 by 2 by, or 10 by 2 and 4 across the whole thing, 4 across the side, and 7 tall. Let's try that out. All right, file, new design, sketch, XY. Let's draw a big rectangle like that. I don't have that memorized. No, I just did it. It is 10 by 7 by 4. All right, so the bottom is going to be 10 times. This side is going to be, oops, I already forget that. Let's see. Yeah, 7 tall, not 8. 7 times 0.25. Right, finish that sketch. Home view. Extrude back. Minus 4 times 0.25. Right, now, I do a sketch on this face. Let's get that circle in there first, maybe. The diameter of that circle is 2. So the radius was 2, so the diameter is 4, which is 4 times 0.25. And then from the bottom was also 4 times 0.25. And from the side, 4 times 0.25. I'm going to finish that. Home, extrude, and we're going to cheat and just say all. There it is. Let's go take a look at this guy. So now I've established this whole line here, this here, and that. That whole box was done, right? Now I got to cut this corner off. I've already made the hole through, as you've seen, with my 2 radius and my 4 distance from each edge. All right, so this guy looks like it starts right here, which is 1, 2, 3 over, and it ends 1, 2 from the back. Let's see if we can do that. Over here, sketch, face. I'm going to draw a line on the edge, lock it on, lock it on. I'm going to go here, here, to there. And let's see if I can dimension from here to there. So that was 3, right? 3 times 0.25. So this one is 2 times 0.25. So we'll check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Come back. Now, because this is a closed object with 4 sides right here, when I finish that, I'm hoping I can extrude that shape, that direction. I believe it is minus 2.25. That look right. Let's see. think so. Looks about the same to me. So that is our shape right there, coming through. So we'll look at it one more time. Yeah, there we got it. All right, so I'm gonna hit the home button here. Move it up in the corner. Whole thing. Right click, physical material. I believe it was mild steel, which is a metal. Probably is under steel. Steel mild. This does make a difference. Right there, steel mild. Drop it, close it, select it, right click, properties, and it's all right there. I'm going to snip, new, copy, and place that, enter. Oops, why is that not working? This SHAPE-7 for you.